Hey guys, I'm Rebecca. I'm from South Africa and I live in Sanya.
Hi everybody, my name is Pieter. I'm from Johannesburg, South Africa.
Hello everyone, my name is Juan and I'm here in Chongqing, China.
Hello, my name is Lauren. Currently, I am living at home in the United States with my family until I can go back to Beijing.
Recently, I've had to transition from being an in-class teacher to an online teacher.
Show me a lion.
Lion.
Amy,
Lion.
can you make a lion?
Lion.
I'm so scared.
There have been some struggles along the way.
I came here to teach in a classroom environment. I found myself teaching online right around when coronavirus began.
The past 2 months, I have been doing only online teaching to my students back in China. That comes with a lot of difficulties because I'm not normally an online teacher. I'm an in-classroom teacher.
First challenge I had was getting used to the platform, as it was the first time that we worked on this platform, as well as teaching for 16 students at one time online.
Let's see, how many people do we have so far? Ooh, a whole 15 students. Okay.
My kids were amazing students in the classroom, but then when they were in the online environment, they treated the class like a video game, really hyper.
Most of them are between the ages of 3 and 7, so they struggle to stare at a screen for 40 minutes.
With my classes now, it's very difficult to orchestrate partner or group work. Most strategies can be thrown out the window.
First of all, I want to say to you, it will be fine. You are going through this situation, it will be fine.
Well, with a lot of practice sessions, including teacher practice with fellow colleagues, it allowed me to get familiarized with the platform and all the functions. The second challenge I had was how to make it fun and exciting as my in-class sessions.
You're having to learn and really implement a lot of new ways of engaging and having fun with the students. Something that I've done a lot more of is using some online quiz games like Jeopardy or Kahoot to kind of get the students going in a different way.
I finished an online teaching course and watched a lot of videos of other teachers, how they do online classes, and adapt a lot of those teaching styles in my teaching approach with a lot of hand gestures and body movements.
Using CPR, our hands and our bodies as a first aid teacher is really important. This is quite difficult to do in such a small screen. I've adapted to this by keeping my movements close to my face and by moving my chair back as far as possible in order for the students to see a wider range of motion.
I will start shooting videos.
Looking for animals. Looking for animals.
Looking for animals.
Those kind of things I will incorporate into my lesson, an opportunity for them to continue the language experience.
Look at the bees. Sweet little bees.
Bees, little bees. Bees, little bees.
I've tried to spice things up recently by downloading some different apps for my webcam and adding different filters to my face or different stickers that I can use throughout the lesson.
Where are you guys? It's so dark. Good job. When the lights are off, it is so dark.
Well, I believed in using a lot of props like hand puppets, games and group activities to make these sessions very fun and captivating.
Everybody say, they're tigers. They are tigers.
I think the biggest difficulty is just not being able to see my students in person and interact with them and see them outside of class. I miss my students very much, and I can't wait to get in the classroom with them again.
Although initially I was really intimidated by online teaching, it is now something that I love and really enjoy.
It is really fun, these classes, and I'm looking forward to my next class.
I can do it.